Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry vinaigrette. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh, ripe strawberries. We'll also use a good quality vinegar, like balsamic or apple cider, and extra virgin olive oil. For sweetness, have some honey or maple syrup ready, and a little Dijon mustard and black pepper will round out the flavors beautifully. This simple combination creates a vibrant and delicious dressing. Now let's get blending. First, hull and slice your 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Place them into your blender along with 2 tablespoons of your chosen vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Secure the lid and blend these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no large strawberry pieces remain. This step is key for a perfect vinaigrette. With the blender running on a low setting, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition helps to emulsify the dressing, making it smooth and creamy. Continue blending until everything is beautifully combined. Finally, taste your vinaigrette and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your homemade strawberry vinaigrette is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prepping. This versatile dressing is fantastic drizzled over fresh green salads, vibrant fruit salads, or even as a light marinade for grilled chicken or fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.